Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to look at a new module, the operator module. So let's just go ahead and import this. So, alright, import operator. So alright, you might say why in the world or what in the world is operator. It's actually kind of cool. So alright, actually let's just run help on it. And basically it is a whole bunch of functions already written for us. And you might say, why in the world would we need to do this? Well, next video you're actually going to get to see it. So it's just like a quick little snippet, so you won't have to write any functions like where you might have to write a lambda function. You can just go and download this and use it. So there's add, absolute value. The one that I think is pretty neat is the negative value. Then you got just to change the just to change it, and then not A, and where A not B. But they took a lot of time to use it. It's very handy. You got subtraction, add, multiplication, makes things positive, powers. But as I said, next video we're really gonna apply to this. I was about to lay it out, but then I realized that I completely haven't done this one yet. So I just wanted to show this to you, and we'll use it more down the way. Just like I've said before, always gonna have a video and then we'll build upon it. So I hadn't touched on this yet. So as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button, and most important, the notification bell, because I don't want you missing anything. And as always, please leave any comments, questions, or any video requests below, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.